Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I've been thinking about getting a GMC Sierra HD Denali diesel, but I've been doing a lot of research about diesel engines, and you guys know I drive a Tundra. I have a 2007 and a 2020 Toyota Tundra, and I would never buy a Tundra again. And the reason why is because these things last forever. My 2007 got about 180,000 miles. This thing will not break. So why would I buy another one? The only reason I got the 2020 was because I needed a four-wheel drive, to work there on the pipeline as a CWI. But I really been looking into this diesel. So you know me, I'm gonna do my research. And I've asked my brothers. I got a couple of brothers and friends that got diesels, and they was telling me about this DEF fuel you have to put in your engine or in your truck. So I've been doing some research. Well, I know a few people that have fully deleted this DEF system, this DEF system, or bypassed it, because they said with this DEF system, and I've been doing some research and I made a few notes here. It say once you delete it from your vehicle, you get 30 to 50% better mileage, and you get 5 to 10% increase in power, and 50 to 100% longer engine life. That's if you remove this DEF system from your vehicle. So I'm doing research. I would like to know what you guys think. You have these diesels, and you're using this DEF stuff in your vehicle. How do it work? Do it decrease your power and the mileage? And I'm interested in this. I want to see what kind of comments we get. And I also asked a few people that drive these diesel engines about what kind of power and stuff it gets. And a few people complaining about if you ever get low, or if it ever get clogged up, it goes into limp mode. So what the limp mode is, it switches things off, like the AC that is not needed, and it also decreases the speed, so you can go only a certain amount of speed. And if this happens, now you got to get a mechanic. You're looking at $500-600, maybe more, to fix this system. So a lot of people have just deleted it. But what was very interesting, I was on Facebook and I saw this post, and I'm going to read this post to you. And this is what he said. Allow me to climb up on my structure reinforced soapbox for a moment. Let me explain why common working class folks have a hard time believing everything we are told nowadays. Here's one example of how we are being taken care of. This is a picture of the DEF diesel exhaust fuel container that I have to add to my truck to help clean up the exhaust. Now let me begin by saying I'm 100% for preservation of our planet. I just have a really hard time believing that this stuff removes enough exhaust from my truck to offset the production of a cardboard box and a plastic jug and the energy and fuel it takes to manufacture the DEF and get it in the store. Plus the added manufacturing and materials used to build a diesel filter that my truck has to burn so slightly more fuel to tote around all the time. Long and short, we are wasting $1 to save a dime. What you guys think about this? Should I go diesel, or should I stick with my gas engine, the Tundra? All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.